In this video, we're going to learn how to use the text tool in the Floriani Rainbow software. And so to get started, we'll click on a new empty workspace. And it's this here is the text tool. And so the text tool, when you click on it, has two options. And one is for kind of like horizontal text, and the other one is for circular text. And so we'll start in this video with horizontal text. And I'm just going to simply click on the text tool. And notice now that my cursor has a little letter A on it, and when I click on my workspace, it will place down the words My Text. And at this point, you're going to want to come to the Properties box and interact with those words, and so you can make it say anything you want. And so I'll put my name and click Apply, and so now it says Trevor. And there are 4 letter styles that are included, and so you can choose between Andrew, Anniversary, Primer, and Rounded, and it shows you kind of what they look like as you mouse over them, so you get an idea of what that text will look like after you apply that next kind of letter style. You can also use the numbers in here to adjust things like the letter height, line spacing between lines, letter spacing, the width of the letters, these kinds of things. And you'll even find that some of these letter styles, specifically Primer and Rounded, even have other options, so like outline options. So there's Primer in its kind of like default option, but now I'll change to a run stitch outline option and even a satin stitch outline option, which might require me to make the letters a little bit taller so that it can kind of look nice. But if we make those letters bigger, then you'll see that there are several different options of ways that you can create with your letters. And so once you've created your letters, and we'll talk more about the ways that you can edit letters in some other videos. I'll talk about how to envelope your letters and how to adjust the letter spacing, and we'll talk about how to do the circular text. But for now, let's just assume that you've created some letters and you love them and you'd like to color them like the rainbow. Well, now the steps become the same. You select that lettering, you choose your rainbow tool, it comes in and applies whatever rainbow color palette that you choose. And so if I go ahead and choose kind of rainbow, it will give me rainbow colors across my lettering. And so yeah, that is how the basic beginning of learning to use the text tool with the Floriani Rainbow software.